Badminton is one of the most useful, safe, popular and active sports. In fact, badminton has many advantages that make it a suitable sport for both kids and adults.
Welcome to Stelio.
Badminton is a net and wall game. Net and wall games like badminton are played on a court that is split into two halves by a net and marked out into different areas. Badminton is a racket sport that is played by 2 or 4 players. A singles game involves one person playing against another. And a doubles game is when 2 players play against another 2 players. Gameplay involves the players striking a shuttlecock over a net into their opposition's side of the court. This is a shuttlecock. A shuttlecock is also sometimes called a birdie. The most common shuttlecocks are made of plastic feathers and a rounded rubber base. The way that the shuttlecock is designed makes it move through the air with the rubber base pointing forwards. This base is heavier and pointed, making it aerodynamic. This means it can move easily through the air. Players strike the shuttlecock using a lightweight, long-handled racket. Like all net and wall games, the aim of badminton is to score more points than your opponent. Each game is played up to 21 points, which means the first player or pair to reach 21 points wins. To score a point, you must make the birdie land on the ground on the other team's side of the court. You can also score points when the other team hits the birdie out of bounds or does not hit the birdie over the net. A point is scored on every serve. Whichever team scores the point will serve for the next point. Badminton can also be played outdoors. The game provides an amazing opportunity for children to get out, get active, and develop physically, mentally, and socially.
Whoa!
Badminton is a great out-of-school activity to help with health and well-being. And it is also great for developing fine motor skills, like holding a pencil. Badminton is the second most popular sport in the world, and it gives children confidence, helps them make friends, and develop patience.
How you play badminton?
Would you like to play badminton?